Hi guys! I guess today is a vlog. As you can see, I am outside. I look like an idiot, by the way. I don't know how people do this on a regular basis. Today's excursion. I might let you meet my friend Sarah today, although I'm not sure about how she would feel. So let's see. I might go to Woodbine with her, which is our local mall. And I don't know, I'll probably show you when I meet her. We'll see what happens. So, fun fact about these. I used to eat them when I was really hungry when I was younger. But then my mom called them poison berries. These things. I'm not dead, so clearly it's not poisonous. Okay, introduce yourself. You forgot your name. It's 4 letters.
Just kidding, it's Sarah.
This is Sarah. She is my dongseng. She is 2 years younger than me. I told you about her.
One of them.
Is anybody scared of puppies? Okay, please hide your hot dogs and ice cream when the puppies are performing. They might eat them.
Costume.
There's a bird there. There's a bird there. Oh, one of them fell. That one is walking back. That one is walking back. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. That one was walking back. Ah. Doesn't she kind of look like a bird? Is she supposed to look like the bird?
I think.
That's pretty funny. She looks like the bird. See, look, that one is telling those other birds, hey guys, I had the worst experience. And that one is like, oh god, this lady threw me. Oh, you bumped into me, man? Hey man, it's cool. It's cool, dude. We're all in the same boat here. Oh no, the lady's coming back. Oh no, no, don't you. No, no, no. Oh god, no. Oh my god.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only.
Oh my gosh, look what I found. What
That
is
acting
this?
is so fake.
I don't know. Well, I'm a superhero now.
Do you want sumo nipples?
What is that?
Sumo nipples.
Someone
No, this is sumo nipples.
Referee,
Do you just want to work at like? Is it your dream to work at Foot Locker? Now you can. Oh. You wanna be? Do you wanna be a dad? Now you can. Do you wanna be a discount Spider-Man? Now you can. Do you wanna go to jail for Halloween? Try drugs or kill someone. You'll be in jail forever.
You're a YouTuber then.
Okay, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Okay. You guys, I'm gonna do a face reveal. Okay? So I'm gonna do a face. You gotta face it at me, dude. I'm gonna do a face reveal.
What? That's so scary. I'm gonna be
Wait. This is scary, dude. This is one scary mask.
Well, I can feel it kind of. Oh, no, nostrils.
Do a weird dance. Yo, this is scary.
Let's take a selfie.
Oh god.
Okay,
This is on the foot. This is on the foot. That's all.
you can use this.
Yeah.
One, two, three. Okay, thank you. You, it looks like a hat.
This is one scary hat.
Oh my god.
You have transformed into. Your head is so big.
My chin is like.
Your head is so big. Oh my, no, it's like Hulk trying to be kawaii and it's really weird. Jesus Christ. Bye, Jesus. So, how was today? How do you rate today?
It was fun.
We saw puppies. We saw an abusive, we saw birds being abused. We saw puppies being abused.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Okay. 하나, 둘, 셋. Ah, you should jump. Oi. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So tell the people to subscribe.
I guess, yep, totally.
There you go. Okay, Jenny.
Who can say